Welcome back, everyone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a video to your Wix website in 2025. Whether you want to showcase a product demo, introduce yourself, or simply make your site more engaging, learning how to embed a video on Wix is a skill that can really elevate your online presence. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to upload, customize, and preview any video right on your site. Let's dive in. So the first thing you'll want to do is add an element to your Wix page. If you've used Wix before, you'll know that everything starts with elements. Think of them like building blocks for your site. To do this, on the left-hand side of your Wix editor, look for the Add icon. Click on that and you'll see a menu pop up with a variety of options: text, images, buttons, and more. Go ahead and scroll down until you see Video. Now click Video. Wix makes this super intuitive. It'll offer different formats, but we're going for the simple video option for this demonstration. Once you select it, drag and drop it onto any part of your page where you want the video to appear. Don't worry if the placement isn't perfect yet, you can always adjust it later. Right after you place the video element, you'll notice a default video appears. Wix adds this as a placeholder. Think of it as their way of showing you how things will look. Of course, you'll want to replace this with your own video, something relevant to your site or business. So hover over the video and click on it. You'll see a small menu or pop-up appear, and within that, look for Change Video. Click that. At this stage, Wix gives you a couple of options. You can search for and select a video from Wix's built-in library, which is handy if you need stock footage or something quick. But if you want to use your own content, maybe a tutorial you've filmed, a personal greeting, or a brand video, just click Upload from Computer. This part might take a few moments depending on your internet speed and the size of your video file. Now a File Explorer window will pop up. Navigate to the folder on your computer where your video is saved. Select the file you want and click Open. Wix will handle the upload for you. While it's uploading, don't worry if it seems to take a while, especially if your video is high quality. That's totally normal. Once your video is uploaded, you'll be directed to your site files. This is basically Wix's internal library, showing all the media files you've ever uploaded to your site. Find your newly uploaded video here. Wix puts the most recent files at the top for convenience. Select the video and then click Update to apply the changes. Now your own video should appear in the spot where the placeholder was. To make sure everything looks good, switch over to Preview mode in the top right corner of the editor. This lets you view your site just like a visitor would without any editing tools in the way. Find your video and hit play to test it out. Check that it starts quickly, looks clear, and the audio works if you included any. That's all there is to it. You've just added a custom video to your Wix site, making it more dynamic and engaging for your visitors. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you have any questions or run into any hiccups. I'm always happy to help out. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Wix tutorials and tips. Thanks so much for watching.